One last thing I'd like to share is how to export your video. You click on Export, and then it gives you these options. You can download, and it will take you directly to Screencast-O-Matic. You can share, and you have Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, email, or you can embed, which is right here, and this will allow you to embed this into a website. If you put Auto Start, then it will give you the code to where you need to copy in order to embed. You click on copy, and there it says copied, and you will be ready to go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to edit video so that you can see the other option in exporting, which would be to copy the link so that you can also share this. And here you have copy link. Thank you so much for joining me in my Animoto tutorial. I appreciate your participation, and I hope you have as much fun as I did creating videos. Thank you.